All right, friends, we are back. We're still at the Durango. It's June 30th. We left Mo Mummy, and we will never see Mo Mummy again. Just kidding. Mo Mummy was brutal. We're in for like a lot, over 1,000. You saw the video, right? So let's make something happen over here. So we're gonna start off with 5 cents, 3.75 bet. Now this game is like the loudest game in the world, but also it could give you such huge amounts of coins. I mean, it can give you like the biggest bonus balls. It can just like trigger something huge, and you can get like, and we've seen Vegas low roller get huge ones. You got like 3 $1,500 ones. Absolute madness. We're trying. Oh, 3. Why not us? 3 in the end. You can drop them from the top. Why not? Come on, buddy. Saloons and money bags. How much should we even get for that? I forgot. The money, I mean, that would have been a really big hit. Money bags pay so much in this game. Bam. Okay, money bags. Hello? Let's do a couple $7 ones. $7.50. Oh, if that was. So the crazy thing is you can get huge on 1 cent. You can get the really big bonuses on 1 cent too. That's awesome. Okay, come on, saloons. Blockers. All right, we'll be back with a little bit more. All right, friends, back for part 2. Railroad riches. 3.75 bets. We'll just get the grand jackpot. Oh, keep going. Maybe 5 cents isn't the play. Let's go to 2 cent. Lucky old 2 cent, right? $3. All right. Okay. We need a little bit more than that. Oh, 3. See, the values are so small, but it's because he can do so many crazy things in the bonus round. It's very, yeah. Let's do some 450s. 450s, some flask and some, oh. Remember, it can technically pop on just 1. That's crazy. Okay. Okay, 2 please. Hello? The minor's 300. Major is 840. Maybe 2 cents isn't the play. Let's go here. Let's go to trusty old 1 cent. You know, you can get something huge on 1 cent too. We'll max bet it. Max bet is 3.75 on this. Oh. Do trigger it. Oh, no, trying to spin. Okay, we'll be back with another 100. All right, We need the grand to be even. We can do it, all right? We can win the grand to be even. Oh, what the heck was this? Oh, that was a 1500, I think. That would have been crazy. Oh yeah. Oh, there's another huge one. Starting to see some big ones. This is definitely the loudest game in the history of the world, too. Guys, this is the loudest game in the history of the world. Look at that. Getting close. Yeah, we'd love to get many of those. It can do it. Man, just a haywire when that happens. You know, that would have made us even for the day, probably. Oh, another huge one. The trickery. Guys, that was nuts. Yeah. That was, we saw $1,000 multiple times. We're one away from it each time. Man. It's crazy because you see those numbers pretty regularly on 1 cent. 3. You see those numbers pretty regularly on 1 cent. But alright, we'll put another 100 and try to get that. Alright guys, we're getting close. We're getting close. We're getting a few $1,000 balls have been showing. Why not us? We should see some line hits, people. Okay. Man, those $1,000 ones, it's ridiculous. Full page of money bags. Oh, 3. Drop a few more of those crazy ones, please. We're not seeing that many crazy numbers on the 5 cent, you know, it's been at the 1 cent where you get those wild bonuses. This is definitely the loudest game. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. I know. Bam. I think we've had enough. We need a bonus. So. I saw another big one. It can happen at any time. $2,500, I think. 2,500, 25,000. So it's 2,500, 25. Oh yeah, so we're maybe back with another 100. Wife and I were discussing how big those numbers were. All right, guys, so we are in for heaps. For Mo Mummy in this machine, we've been in for a lot. Let's just get a couple of those $1,000 balls and make the best video YouTube has ever seen. Hello, Mr. Fox? $12.50.
Here we go.
It's not even a bonus here, it doesn't even do anything. Money bags. We'd love to get a bonus here. I mean, come on. This game can be so great. It can give you just like the biggest multiplier on your money. It's ridiculous. If you want to play a volatile game that can give huge, this is it. If we lower the bet to 75 cents, what will it do? Okay.
Here we go.
Money bags. Oh my god, it blocked it. That's so unfair, guys. We just had a bad luck day. We get like one line hit that could do something, give us more ammo, and the line hit is absolutely blocked by those coins.
Here we go.
Block it again, watch. First, money bags. If there was any saloons on 1 and 2. Okay. No, it's so loud. Okay, I'll try a little bit more. Let's do a few more max bets. Just try to cash one bonus. 3. It's a huge one.
I like him. Oh, okay. I'll take him. That's a good one.
Alright people, we tried. We're in for a few $100s. That was tough. We got so close to some big bonuses, but to no avail. Between this and Mo Mummy, we're down like 2,000. But we'll try again a little later. Thanks for watching.